Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naija Barbie, and today I'm making a hummus recipe that's far and above better than anything you'll buy in the grocery store. Plus, it's quick and easy to make. This is a healthy snack and it takes about 6 ingredients. So you'll need 1 can of chickpeas, preferably peeled, the juice of 1 lemon, 1/3 cup of tahini, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of cumin, some salt, and about 3 to 5 tablespoons of water or chickpea juice, also known as aquafaba. This recipe is so easy and quick because it only involves the use of a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you might want to consider getting one. They dice, chop, shred, and blend food in seconds. You'll save so much time, and since my time is precious, it's definitely worth the investment. So start by juicing your lemon and pouring the tahini into the food processor. Let this blend for at least 30 seconds and make sure you reach a creamy texture. This is what it should look like when you finish blending. Next, scrape down the sides of the bowl and then get ready to add your ingredients. Add the olive oil, garlic, cumin, and salt. Blend again for at least another 30 seconds. After blending, do a quick taste test and adjust seasoning as needed. When I'm cooking or baking, I always taste as I go along because at the end, after you've done all the hard work trying to adjust, sometimes it just doesn't work out in your best interest. So just taste as you go along. After blending, this is what it should look like. Next, add about half of the drained, rinsed, and peeled chickpeas. It took me about 15 solid minutes to peel the chickpeas. This step is in no way mandatory. The flavor is the same. The difference in texture is minimal. The final product will not be as smooth as the peeled chickpeas, but honestly, you have to be looking for it. So if you want to make this entire recipe in under 10 minutes, skip the peeling. Now, add the remaining chickpeas after scraping the bowl to ensure everything gets well incorporated. Blend until well incorporated. To make the consistency fluffier and creamier, I drizzle in water or chickpea juice from the can until it reaches my desired consistency. As you all have heard in my previous 2 videos, I like my texture to be very smooth and creamy, so I added in about 3 to 5 tablespoons of chickpea juice. But do it until you like it and it's the consistency you desire. Well guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just taking it out of the food processor and put it in my storage container, my pirate storage container, and getting ready to eat and do a taste test. Once you've finished making the hummus, this is what it should look like. Nice and creamy. Add some oil or some paprika or some cumin or whatever you like on top to garnish. And then seal it and put it in your refrigerator. It should last about a week in there. Hey, you're ready? It's taste test time. You can just taste the lemon juice and the garlic. That's really good. There's so many things you do with hummus. You can put it on a rice cake, put it on a tortilla, do it for wraps, use it as any kind of spread, replace any kind of like mayonnaise or anything like that, and replace it with this hummus. That's really good. We'll see how long this lasts in my house. Guys, thanks so much for coming by today. Really love it. If you make this recipe, please take a picture of it and tag me on Facebook or Instagram at Naija Barbie, or email me at naijabarbie363@gmail.com. I really appreciate you guys hanging in there. Thanks so much. And if you haven't done so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, like, share, and comment. Love you guys.